Every time you send USDT on the TRON network, 27 TRX gone in fees. Every single transfer. Do 10 a day, that's 8,000 TRX a month burned just on USDT TRC20 fees. But what if I told you there's a way to send USDT for free? 0 TRX fee. I'll prove it right now, watch. Here's how TRON fees actually work. Every USDT TRC20 transfer runs a smart contract that consumes a resource called TRON Energy. If you don't have energy on your wallet, the network burns your TRX to cover it. That's where the 27 TRX fee comes from. But if you buy TRON Energy or rent it before you send, your transfer costs 0. And the cheapest way to buy TRX energy right now is Save TRX. Save TRX is one of the leading platforms to buy TRON energy on the market. Over 1,200 businesses use it. Exchanges, payment processors, OTC desks. They've delegated over 1 billion energy units to date, processing tens of thousands of transactions every day. You pick how many transfers you need, pay a fraction of what you'd normally burn, and energy hits your wallet in under 10 seconds. Fully non-custodial. They never access your keys or funds. Everything runs through on-chain smart contracts. No sign-up, no subscriptions, no minimums. You pay only for what you use. If you're looking for cheap TRON energy, this is the best rate I've found. Here's my Trust wallet right now. I'm going to send USDT to another address. Watch the fee. 27 TRX. I'm not sending this, just showing you what a normal USDT transfer costs without energy. Remember this number. Now I'm switching to Save TRX to buy energy for 40 transactions. In the calculator, 40 transfers would normally burn 1,080 TRX. But here it's only 65 TRX. I connect my Trust wallet and confirm the transaction. Done. TRON Energy delegated to my wallet. Same test, same USDT amount, same address. Let's see the fee now. 0. Exact same USDT TRC20 transfer was 27 TRX, now 0. The energy covered it completely. And I've got 39 more fee-free transfers left. That's how you buy TRON Energy and send USDT without fees. Took me 30 seconds. Link to Save TRX is in the description. Try the calculator yourself. Drop a comment. How many USDT transfers do you send per day? Curious what kind of savings you're sitting on. Subscribe for more. See you next time.